So here we have a Ethernet shield having a chip W5100 which is connected with the Arduino UNO, and I have connected this Ethernet shield with the same network in which my PC is connected through the LAN. You can see the connection. These two LAN wire is going, one is going to my PC and another one is going to this Ethernet shield. Now I have this code. Let's see what this code will do. Actually, this code will read from the A0 pin of analog. It can read like any signal from 0 to 5 volt. This signal can be analog or digital. Currently it is connected with the ground. Let me connect it with the ground. So now it is connected with the ground. Then it will give me the data 000. Okay, let me upload it first. So I am uploading it, and here is the serial monitor. It will give me firstly the IP address. I will copy this IP address, and here you can see the data is coming 000. Now I will paste the IP address on some web server and see I am getting 00 data, and it is refreshing every time. Okay, now let me give some other value like 5 volt. And let's see, you can see this is giving 5 volt to this server. Let me connect 3.3 volt. Now it will give me the 3.3 volt. The accurate value is 3.387, 3.392. Okay, so here the data is in the binary form and also in the integer form, which the ADC of Arduino gives us. So that's how this Ethernet shield is working. I can access this data only on the some device which is connected with the same network in which my Ethernet shield is connected. Okay.